What's up guys? This is Eliworks from DSA Crew and Solana Mask. In this video I'm showing you guys how I made this pretty cool Catrina for our collection, this Mexican mask. In this video I'm just using the paint for make the dots and the eraser tool. That's pretty much it. Let's get it. Okay, in this part I'm using the eraser tool to get rid of those annoying dots and get this design more clean. Okay, now I'm making the color base for the skull. Always make sure to have all your items in different layers and name it, because it's a easier way to work in Illustrator. Okay, now I'm taking other assets that I have for this mask to give this design more detail, changing the rotation a little bit to have this nice, beautiful and clean as possible. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter and Instagram at SolanaMasks, and make sure to join our Discord. The link is below to start being updated with our project. We'll be making more videos for you guys and show you how we made this pretty cool project. See you next time.